Hello guys, today I will show you methods to earn money on Gauthmath. So, if you're wondering whether Gauthmath is a legitimate way to earn money by helping students with math, in this video we'll go over how it works, how much you can earn and whether it's worth your time. First, let's break down what Gauthmath is. Gauthmath is an online platform where students from all around the world can get help with their math homework. Whether it's algebra, calculus or even geometry, students submit math problems and you as a tutor get paid to solve them. What's great about Gauthmath is that it connects you with students 24/7. So you can log in and start earning money whenever you have time. Let's go over how to join and what you'll need to get started. To start earning money on Gauthmath, you will need to apply to be a tutor. The application process is pretty straightforward, but it's important to demonstrate that you have strong math skills. And you don't need a degree, but you do need to be confident in your ability to solve a variety of math problems, usually at a high school or early college level. So, go to any browser on your PC or mobile phone, type in apply for Gauthmath expert, hit enter and click on this site, that is GauthExpert.com, earn up to. And you'll be on this page. Click on submit application button on this page and you'll be taken to another page. On this page, enter your name, email address, country, preferred language, educational background, qualifications and click on the submit button at the bottom. Your form will be submitted. Now they will contact you back and when applying, you'll be asked to complete a short test where you solve some math problems. If you pass, you'll be onboarded as a tutor and you can start helping students right away. The better you are at solving math problems quickly and accurately, the more you can earn. The type of questions you'll be solving can range from basic algebra to more advanced topics like trigonometry and calculus. Gauthmath allows students to upload pictures of their homework and your job is to provide a step-by-step solution. Don't worry if you're not an expert in every area of math. Gauthmath gives you the option to choose which problems you want to solve. If algebra is your thing, you can focus on that. If you prefer geometry or statistic, you can stick to those topics. Now, let's get on to the big question. How much money you can actually make on Gauthmath? The platform pays tutors based on the complexity and length of the problem. Simple math problems will pay less, while more complex questions or detailed solutions can earn you more. On average, tutors earn anywhere from a few dollars per problem to more than $10 for more challenging problems. If you're quick at solving and can answer multiple questions within an hour, your earnings can add up to fast. And there are few key factors that affect how much money you can earn on Gauthmath. First is the difficulty of the problem you choose to solve. More complex problems naturally pay more. Second is how fast you accurately work. The quicker you solve the problems, the more you can answer, which means more money. Your availability also matters. If you can work during peak times when there are more students submitting problems, you are likely to get more opportunities to earn. Gauthmath pays its tutor through PayPal, so you will need an account to receive payments and you will accumulate your earnings as you complete problems and payments are typically processed on a monthly basis. Though some tutors may qualify for weekly payments, it's important to know that your earnings will depend on how much you work and the quality of your solutions. If your answers are consistently high quality, you will build reputation which can lead to more opportunities. So is Gauthmath worth your time? If you enjoy math and want to make money helping students, it can be a great side hustle. The platform is flexible, allowing you to work whenever you have free time. While it may not replace a full-time income, it's a good way to earn extra cash, especially if you're already strong in math. Overall, Gauthmath is a legitimate way to earn money if you have solid math skills and enjoy tutoring. It's flexible, convenient, and can be a fun way to make money online. So that's how you can earn money on Gauthmath. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and thanks for watching.